Alright guys, there's date and time on the ground floor 620, and right now we're standing in downtown Barrington, Illinois at like 11 o'clock at night on a Sunday. So here's what Main Street looks like. There's St. Anne's Catholic Church, which has a Schindler MT. And there's a parish center. Is that the parish center? No, the parish center is more down there, but the parish center has a Dover with traditional buttons, which I also have a video of that, so if you want to check that out, feel free to. But anyways, in this video we happen to have a treat which is hidden in front of the Stifel Investment Services building. So if you take a look at this building, you can see that it is accessed from outside on all floors. And it has some underground parking, which I don't know if you can see, but here's my dad's Chevy Volt, which I drove here with. So anyways, if we walk up this man-powered elevator and we look to the right, we happen to have an elevator that we're going to ride. Now, apparently Jason, St. Louis Elevators, has filmed this elevator before, but I have not, and it happens to be one of the only elevators I can access at this time, since that other elevator in that one building is probably closed, or has an entrance that's closed off since it's an office building, and it's like 11 o'clock at night on a Sunday. So with that being said, we're going to take a ride in this elevator here. It's an older Otis Series 1. Definitely hear it coming. So anyways, here's the elevator. Now let's head to the garage level. Oh, this one lights up green. Cool. So anyways, here at the garage level, there's a little bit of what it looks like. Now look at that, guys. Ceiling. Look at the ceiling. It's like literally falling apart right there. That's interesting. So now we're gonna head to 3. That button lights up green too. I wonder if all the buttons in this elevator light up green. Anyways, here up at 3, and just like most older Otises, has sort of a rough stop. They sort of give rough stops and level and plop level. So now we're going to head to the garage level. So now we're going to get a cab view. I mean, it's pretty decent for an office building, despite the fact that it's outside. As you're lighting on the ceiling, only 1 out of the 6 lights are burnt out, as you can see. Anyways, here's your indicator right here. Older Otis Series 1 indicator. Fire operating instructions if you want to pause to read. There's a message that says, please exit when doors open when you put this thing into fire service. And here are your switches and everything. Your fixtures down here. And there's your phone. It's a non-88 phone. And down here is your certificate of inspection if you want to pause to read. And they say the condition of the elevator is good, but I'd say it's just okay, just judging by like the way it's maintained and the cleanliness of the elevator, because it is a little bit messy on the floors, you could see, and there are some like little handprints and other marks from numerous amount of sources. So now we're going to end up at 1. Let's see. Okay, so the button for 2 lights up green as well. So that's very interesting. So apparently all buttons in this elevator light up green. So now we're going to watch this close up. There it goes. And for your fire alarm fans, you got some interesting little horn unit on the ceiling right there. A simplex pulse station right there. Doesn't that sound lovely, guys? And now if we go behind here, you can see that this elevator here, let me go back more. You could see that this elevator could have easily been made glass, but for some reason they decided to just make it enclosed instead. I'm sure Fletcher would be really disappointed about that if he saw it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's it.